1. Which line passes through the points x is 1, y is 6, and the second point is x is 3, y is negative 4. Okay, first, we have to solve for the slope. Yung m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, yung value ng x sub 1, ito si 1. Okay? Ito yung y sub 1. Yung 3, yan ang x sub 2. Yung negative 4, yan ang y sub 2. Okay? Then, substitute natin yan. So, yung m, so y sub 2 is negative 4 minus y sub 1 is 6 over x sub 2 positive 3 minus yung x sub 1 ay 1. Okay, so yung slope natin is negative 10 over 2 or yung slope natin is negative 5. Okay, so we will use another formula para makuha natin yung equation of a line. So, m equals y minus y sub 1 over x minus x sub 1. So, pili tayo dito sa dalawang points. Ito bang first point or yung second point? So, piliin natin yung first point. Yung x is 1, y is 6. So, yung slope natin, ito si negative 5. Kapahin natin yan, equals y minus y sub 1 is 6. Then, x minus x sub 1 is 1. Okay, then i-cross multiply natin yan. So, multiply natin una si negative 5. Multiply natin kay x minus 1. X minus 1 equals, di ba mayroong over 1 dyan? So, 1 times y minus 6. So, y minus 6. So, distribute natin ito. So, this is negative 5x. Negative 5, multiply natin kay negative 1. So, that is positive 5. Okay, kasi pag mag-multiply tayo ng the same sign, the result is positive. So, equals y minus 6. So, i-transpose natin ito si positive y sa left side. So, negative, dito tayo sa taas ha. Negative 5x, yung y, magiging negative y, equals negative 6, hindi siya na-change. Si positive 5, transpose natin sa right, so magiging negative 5. Okay, so negative 5x minus y equals negative 11. So, since merong negative yung ating a, or negative 5, so we have to divide both sides by negative. Divide natin yan both sides by negative. Or both members of the equation by negative. So, negative 5x divided by negative, so that is positive 5x. Ito naman, si negative y divided by negative, that is positive y equals positive 11. Okay, so ito yung equation of the line. So, sa choices natin, this is positive 5x plus y equals negative, equals positive 11. So, letter D is the correct answer.